Okay, a quick market live update I want to give you. Haven't done this in a while, so why not today? It's about the banks in particular. Nifty, we've done the targets, 1500 is done and dust. Now let's talk about the private banks. Right now, I opened the 1 hour chart of the Nifty Private Bank Index. So for the past couple of days, so first of June, we have been consolidating in a very tight, you can say a range, or people call it a triangle or a tight flag. Now, it's very, very important where it breaks. We have no idea where it's going to break, but you have to observe where it breaks. If you're going to go below the 18,500 mark, that's going to give you a signal to go short in the market on the banks. If you go above the 18,700 mark, 720 mark, it's going to give you a signal to go long in the market. So generally, when this pattern plays out, this is the targets that you can expect. The maximum vertical distance in the range can provide you the target. That's a good 381 points on the private bank index, whichever side it breaks. So just keep that point in mind. Another observation is whenever the market gives a very good movement, it's a 1 hourly chart, bigger chart, less hiccups, more accuracy. So right now we're in a no trading zone. So on the bigger chart, on the 1 hour chart, we saw very good momentum happening in the first 1 hour. 35,000 was rejected. So what I've observed and what happens is after a very big momentum, you can see 3 hours of consolidation, and then maybe again the momentum continues. But the disclaimer is very simple: trade the market, not the forecast. I don't want you to enter into any trade unless it happens. So I would say let either of the sides break. Maybe it could break on the upside because of the formation that's been happening on this. Even on the smaller chart, even on a 15-minute chart, you are getting some kind of a tight flag. If I can draw it for you, I think it becomes very, very clear. It's a good tight flag that we've seen. 35,000 is rejected. I would say if it breaks out on the upside, you can try to play the market. 115 is an important time. That's when the 1 hour candle will conclude. You have 30 minutes to decide what to do. But again, play the market only when it happens. Don't trade otherwise. Otherwise, you'll get chopped out. Low premiums, low wicks, right? Nothing's going to happen. Let it break for a good momentum on the upside. Same is the case with the PSU banks. I was shocked, absolutely shocked. Last night, very poor closing on the PSU banks. Still, PSU banks gave a great momentum on the upside. Again, very simple. PSU banks are at good, monthly highs right now. So good highs, good swing highs as of right now. So very, very similar thing. The PSU banks have a good resistance at 25-20 levels. If that level breaks again, you can see a great highs on PSU banks. Right now, Baroda is in the news. You saw it going up 4%. So what my suggestion is, I'm not entering any trade right now because I'm in a cautious zone. But if something happens, what I'm telling you, we can always go and trade that. Number two, do not sell your PSU bank holdings. They are doing very, very comfortable. Please, please, please do not panic in PSU banks. That's the advice I can give you with the banking sector. Your IT sector is strong. It is very, very strong. Today also it's up 0.50%. See, the markets are going up and down, but IT is giving consistent returns. What we call it in Punjab, giving langar, free food to people. So try to take part of this. With all due respect to everyone and every religion, try to take part in this rally, right? Any dips that you get into IT, try to buy them. That's the advice I can give you for now. Hopefully something happens in the coming time and we can benefit from that. But as of now, it's a no trade zone on the banks. Thank you.